Hi students, previously we had discussed about the male parts of the flower. The male parts are related to microspore, microsporangium. The female part is related to mega, that is what is related to mega. So we discussed today megasporangium and embryocyte. So what is megasporangium? Megasporangium is called ovule. So where ovule is present? Ovule is present inside the ovary. So that is structure of ovule. There is a figure that you are show. That is a chalaza, nucellus, integument, embryocyte, micropyle, funicle, and hilum. We discuss one by one. What is hilum? Hilum is a point of attachment where both funicle and ovule are fused together. That part is called hilum. What is funicle? Funicle is attachment site of ovule to placenta. Ovule to placenta, that is called funicle. What is micropyle? Just opposite to chalaza, there is a small opening that is called micropyle. What is the function? The pollen tube comes and entered through the micropyle, that is called porogamy, and fertilize the egg cell. Then that inside the ovule embryocyte is present. Embryocyte is a female gametophyte, we discussed. Then integument is a outer wall that covered the nucellus. So if integument is single layer, it is called unitegmic. If integument is two layered, that is called bitegmic. Very important. Then we move to the female gametophyte in large way. The female gametophyte is called embryocyte. What is called embryocyte? The female gametophyte are 7 celled and 8 nucleated. That type of embryocyte is called polygonum type. Very important. Polygonum type embryocyte. So if there is a question, what is polygonum type embryocyte? You write that 8 nucleated and 7 cells. So how 8 nucleated? That is 3 antipodal cell, 2 polar nuclei, 1 egg and 2 synergies. Total number is 8 nucleus. So the polar nuclei that fused and form primary endosperm nucleus. What is formed? PEN. Primary endosperm nucleus after the fertilization. This primary endosperm nucleus developed into endosperm. What is developed? Endosperm after the fertilization. This endosperm gives the nourishment to the embryo. How embryo is formed? When pollen tube entered to the micropyle region, there is an egg cell which fertilized by the male gamete and form the zygote. So egg cell form the zygote which further developed into the embryo. So who gives nourishment to the growing embryo? Endosperm. Very important. Then these synergids are degenerate after the fertilization. 3 antipodal cells also degenerate after the fertilization. These egg cell and synergids commonly called egg apparatus. If there is a question, what is egg apparatus? So you write as 1 egg cell and 2 synergids form egg apparatus. Then another word, that is filiform apparatus. What is function? The filiform apparatus guide the entry of pollen tube into the egg cell. Guide the entry of pollen tube into the egg cell. So that is all about embryocyte. So our embryocyte is polygonal and monosporic. Monosporic word we are discuss later, because here you are not understand about monosporic. So today class, watch the video carefully, and if you are the senior students, if you are able to make the notes properly, then you can make in fair copy, in front of fair copy, not in behind. Okay, thank you.